Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive into the top products that everyone's buzzing about. If you're passionate about staying ahead of the curve and securing the best deals, you're in the right place. Today, we've got something truly special lined up for you. A countdown of the best sellers in the security and surveillance biometrics category on Amazon. These are the cutting-edge tools that are redefining how we protect our homes, our data, and our peace of mind. We're talking about technology that blends convenience with security, giving you the power to control access like never before. So without further delay, let's jump to the exciting stuff and see what's leading the pack in the world of biometric security. Let's dive into the details of the Kensington Verimark USB fingerprint key reader, a compact yet powerful device redefining security in the digital age. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your sensitive data is safeguarded by cutting-edge biometric technology. No more juggling passwords or worrying about prying eyes, just a single touch, and you're in. This tiny powerhouse is built with advanced fingerprint technology that not only recognizes your unique fingerprint, but does so with exceptional accuracy. Boasting a false rejection rate of just 3% and an astonishingly low false acceptance rate of 0.002%, it's a biometric marvel. Its 360-degree readability ensures that no matter how you touch it, your access is instant and secure. But the security features don't stop there. The Verimark goes beyond standard biometrics with anti-spoofing protection and one-way conversion of your biometric data into a proprietary template format. This means your fingerprint can't be reverse-engineered or misused. It's like having an impenetrable vault for your identity, where your data is encrypted and digitally signed with 256-bit encryption, making it virtually immune to eavesdropping or tampering. For those who work across multiple platforms, the Verimark is your versatile companion. It works seamlessly with any PC or docking station USB-A port, and even adapts to USB-C with a simple adapter. It's also FIDO U2F certified, meaning your fingerprint can be your key to the cloud, protecting your accounts on platforms like Google, Dropbox, and more. It's not just about security, it's about convenience too. Compatible with popular password managers like Dashlane and LastPass, the Verimark simplifies your online experience by automatically filling in usernames and passwords with a touch. Plus, it supports multiple fingerprints, so whether it's for your personal use or shared access, this device has you covered. Compact and discreet, the Verimark attaches easily to your key ring, making it as portable as it is powerful. Whether you're on the move or at your desk, secure access is always at your fingertips. In a world where digital threats are ever present, the Kensington Verimark USB fingerprint key reader stands as a sentinel of security, blending cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design. Elevate your digital security with a device that's as intuitive as it is formidable. Let's get straight to the point with the Smart Door Lock, 6-in-1 electronic door lock, a true marvel of modern security and convenience. Imagine walking up to your front door and effortlessly unlocking it with just a touch. No more fumbling for keys, no more forgotten codes, just seamless access. This isn't just a door lock. It's a comprehensive security system wrapped in a sleek, modern design. With 6 different ways to unlock, you have the ultimate flexibility. Whether it's fingerprint recognition, a passcode, an app, an IC card, a traditional key, or even integration with a gateway for voice control through Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, this lock adapts to your lifestyle. Now let's talk about control. The TT Lock app is your command center, giving you the power to monitor access logs, create temporary or personalized codes, and share access with guests, all from the palm of your hand. Whether you're at home or halfway around the world, you're in charge. Security is where this lock truly shines. Only authorized fingerprints are granted access, and with anti-peeping technology, your passcodes remain your secret. This lock isn't just about keeping intruders out, it's about keeping your privacy intact. And here's something that sets it apart: a battery life that stretches up to 18 months. That's right, nearly a year and a half of worry-free use. And when the battery finally needs a boost, the USB-A emergency charging port is there to save the day. No downtime, just continuous protection. Installation is a breeze. With a simple step-by-step video, you'll have this lock up and running in just 15 minutes. Plus, its reversible handle means it's versatile enough to fit any door, left or right-handed. This is more than a lock. It's the key to a smarter, more secure home. With the Smart Door Lock 6-in-1, you're not just upgrading your door, you're elevating your entire security experience. Next up at number 3, we have the FD-258 Fingerprint Kit, a straightforward yet essential tool for secure identity verification. Whether it's for a job application, background check, or other official documentation, this kit delivers everything you need in one convenient package. Let's break it down. The FD-258 Fingerprint Kit includes 5 FD-258 cards, each one designed to meet strict federal standards. These aren't just any fingerprint cards, they're the very same used by the FBI, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, and countless police agencies. When precision matters, these are the cards you can trust. But a fingerprint card is only as good as the ink that goes on it. This kit comes with 5 high-quality ink strips, which peel open to reveal 10 inked strips, ensuring you have more than enough for each card. No mess, no hassle, just clean, crisp fingerprints every time. And here's something you might not think about until you need it: the retainer pad. It's there to hold those ink strips securely in place, making the entire process smoother and more efficient. So why does this matter? Because when you've been asked to submit fingerprints, accuracy and clarity are non-negotiable. This kit is designed to give you the best possible results, ensuring that your fingerprints are captured clearly and correctly the first time. For anyone navigating the complexities of official paperwork or background checks, the FD-258 Fingerprint Kit is a reliable companion. It's about delivering precision and peace of mind in one easy-to-use package. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best sellers in security and surveillance biometrics on Amazon? Well, if this video is unlocking some great insights for you, be sure to lock in your support by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss a secure update. At number 2, we have the Fingerprint Cards, Applicant FD-258, in a convenient 25 pack, a must-have for anyone who needs to submit professional-grade fingerprints for official purposes. These aren't just any fingerprint cards. These are the standard FBI fingerprint cards, trusted by federal agencies, law enforcement, and organizations across the country. Let's start with the essentials. The FD-258 cards are meticulously designed to meet stringent federal standards, ensuring that your fingerprints are captured with precision and clarity. Whether you're applying for a job, undergoing a background check, or fulfilling legal requirements, these cards are your gateway to compliance. What sets these cards apart? It's all in the details. Printed on high-quality white cardstock with crisp blue lines, these cards are built to withstand the rigors of the fingerprinting process. The ink adheres perfectly, creating clear, sharp prints every time. No smudging, no smearing, just pristine fingerprints ready for submission. But this isn't just about meeting standards, it's about exceeding them. With 25 cards in each pack, you're not just prepared, you're more than prepared. Whether you need multiple sets for different applications or simply want to have extras on hand, this pack ensures you're always ready for what's next. In a world where precision and professionalism are paramount, the Fingerprint Cards, Applicant FD-258, are a reliable and indispensable tool. They offer not just the means to an end, but the assurance that you're presenting the best possible version of your fingerprints every time. And now we've reached the top spot in our countdown of best-selling security and surveillance biometrics products on Amazon. Claiming the #1 position is the Handheld ID Copier RFID Smart ID Card Duplicator, a tool that brings versatility and convenience right to your fingertips. Imagine a device that's not just compact, but incredibly powerful. This handheld duplicator is your go-to solution for copying RFID cards and keychains, whether for parking access, building entry, or even specialized switches. With a lightweight design tipping the scales at just 56 grams, it's perfect for professionals on the go. No bulky equipment, just streamlined efficiency wherever you need it. The beauty of this duplicator lies in its ability to handle a variety of tasks. It's compatible with T5577 and EM4305 cards. And the package includes 5 T5577 keychains and 5 T5577 cards, all ready to be customized. But here's the kicker. The device doesn't just copy, it transforms. It can take cards that were once limited to a single use and make them reusable, extending their lifespan and saving you from unnecessary replacements. But don't let its small size fool you. This replicator is loaded with features that make it indispensable. Need to copy on site? No problem. Its portable design ensures you can take it anywhere, providing seamless functionality whether you're out in the field or in the office. It runs on just 2 AAA batteries, making it as convenient as it is powerful. And let's talk about ease of use. The Replicator's intuitive design means you simply read the label from your device, then write it onto your blank keychain or card. The chip comes preloaded with blank instructions, giving you the flexibility to customize as you see fit. In a world where access and security are non-negotiable, the Handheld ID Copier RFID Smart ID Card Duplicator stands out as a must-have tool. It's more than just a duplicator. It's your portable command center for RFID management, giving you control, convenience, and confidence wherever you go. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best sellers in security and surveillance biometrics on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest top picks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.